Life is hectic, no? It feels like we're always on the go, always in a rush. We're always rushing, always thinking, always switched on. Our days are filled with endless to-do lists and constant notifications. It's like our minds are constantly buzzing, jumping from one thought to the next. We rarely get a moment to just breathe and be. Ever feel like you're on autopilot, just going through the motions, like you're living the same day over and over again? That's where mindfulness comes in. It's a way to break the cycle and find peace in the present moment. It's about hitting the pause button, even just for a moment, and truly connecting with the present. It's about finding a sense of calm amidst the chaos. Mindfulness is about finding pockets of calm in the chaos of daily life. It's about being fully present, no matter where you are. It's about savoring a cup of chai, feeling the warmth in your hands, and truly tasting each sip. Really listening to a friend, giving them your full attention, and connecting on a deeper level, or simply noticing the gentle breeze on your skin, feeling its touch, and appreciating the moment. The best part, anyone can practice mindfulness. It's accessible to everyone, regardless of age or background. It's not about clearing your mind completely. It's about acknowledging your thoughts and letting them pass without judgment. It's about bringing your attention to the here and now, without judgment. It's about being present in whatever you're doing and finding peace in the moment. So what exactly is mindfulness? Simply put, it's paying attention to the present moment on purpose, without getting carried away by thoughts about the past or worries about the future. It's about observing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without labeling them as good or bad. Think of your mind like a clear blue sky. Thoughts are like clouds that drift by. With mindfulness, we observe the clouds without getting caught up in them. We simply acknowledge their presence and let them pass. The benefits of mindfulness are plentiful. It can reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus, enhance emotional regulation, and even strengthen relationships. Mindfulness isn't just about sitting on a cushion with your eyes closed. It's about bringing awareness to everyday activities. Take eating, for instance. Instead of gobbling down your food while scrolling through your phone, try eating mindfully. Notice the colors, textures, and aromas of your meal. Chew slowly and savor each bite. Similarly, you can practice mindfulness while walking, showering, or even washing dishes. Pay attention to the sensations of your feet on the ground, the feeling of water cascading down your skin, or the warmth of the soapy water on your hands. By bringing awareness to these mundane tasks, we transform them into opportunities to cultivate presence. Section 4. Breathe and Be, a simple mindfulness exercise. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to practice mindfulness is through breathing exercises. These exercises can be done anywhere, at any time, making them incredibly accessible. Our breath is always with us, acting as an anchor to the present moment. It helps us stay grounded and connected. Try this basic exercise. 1. Find a comfortable seat. This could be anywhere you feel at ease. It could be on a chair, cushion, or even lying down. The key is to be in a position where you can relax and focus. 2. Close your eyes gently. This helps to minimize distractions and allows you to turn your attention inward. 3. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. Pay attention to how your chest and stomach move with each breath. 4. Don't try to change your breath. Let it flow naturally without forcing it. Simply observe it without judgment. Accept each breath as it comes. 5. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath. It's natural for thoughts to arise. Just acknowledge them and return your focus. Start with a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. Consistency is key to developing a mindfulness practice. This simple practice can bring a sense of calm and clarity to your day. Over time, you'll find it easier to stay present and centered, no matter what challenges come your way. Section 5. Journaling your journey, reflections and insights. Journaling can be a powerful tool for cultivating mindfulness. It allows us to process our thoughts and emotions, gain insights into our patterns, and track our mindfulness journey. Here are some prompts to get you started. What are 3 things you're grateful for today? Describe a recent experience where you felt fully present. What are some challenges you face in practicing mindfulness? Don't worry about grammar or structure. Just let your thoughts flow freely onto the page. The act of writing itself can be incredibly therapeutic and insightful. Section 6. Awaken your senses. Mindful observation in practice. Mindfulness is about engaging all of our senses. Take a moment to really see the world around you. Notice the play of light and shadow, the vibrant colors of nature, or the intricate details of everyday objects. Listen to the sounds around you, the chirping of birds, the laughter of children, the rustling of leaves in the wind. Feel the sensations of your body, the weight of your body on the chair, the temperature of the air on your skin, the feeling of your clothes against your body. By tuning into our senses, we deepen our connection to the present moment and cultivate a sense of awe and wonder. Section 7. Embrace the journey. Cultivating lasting mindfulness. Remember, mindfulness is not a destination, it's a journey. It's about being present in each moment, fully experiencing life as it unfolds. There will be days when your mind races and distractions seem overwhelming. That's okay. It's natural to feel this way sometimes. Be kind to yourself and gently guide your attention back to the present moment. Take a deep breath and let go of any judgment. The key is to integrate these practices into your daily routine, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Find small moments to be mindful. Start small, be patient, and celebrate your progress along the way. Each step forward is a step towards greater awareness and peace. I encourage you to explore different mindfulness techniques and find what resonates with you. Whether it's yoga, meditation, or mindful walking, find what brings you peace. Share your experiences with friends and family, and let's create a ripple effect of presence and peace in the world. Your journey can inspire others. Remember, the present moment is all we truly have. Embrace it fully and let it enrich your life. So breathe, be present, and embrace the beauty of this journey called life. Every moment is a gift, and mindfulness helps us cherish it.